Hi, welcome to the podcast. I'm really happy you're here today. This is a space to practice English, a calm space. No pressure, no stress. You don't need perfect English. You don't need to understand everything. Just listen and enjoy the conversation.
Yes, exactly. This podcast is for real people, people who are learning English step by step. If you're a beginner, you're in the right place.
Today, we're not studying grammar. We're not memorizing rules. We're just listening to a simple, friendly conversation. The kind of conversation you hear every day.
Think of this like two friends talking. Relax, take a deep breath, and let's start.
Hi, how are you today?
Hi, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too. My name is Jessie.
Nice to meet you, Jesse. I'm Alex. So, Jesse, is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I'm new here.
Oh, welcome. That's exciting. Where are you from?
I'm from Colombia. What about you?
I'm from the United States. How do you like it so far?
I really like it. The place is beautiful. I love the trees. Everything looks so green.
Yeah, it's a pretty peaceful place.
The scenery is very calm. It feels peaceful.
When we say peaceful, we mean quiet and calm.
Right, not noisy.
So, what do you do?
I work in a restaurant. I'm a cook.
Oh, that's nice. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's busy, but I like it.
Yeah, restaurants are usually busy.
Yes, it is, especially on weekends. Okay, a quick explanation again. We just said usually.
Usually means most of the time. Not always, but most days.
Exactly, very simple. Let's keep going.
And how long have you been here?
I've been here for 3 months.
That's still new.
Yes, I'm learning little by little.
Right, step by step.
Exactly, no rush. Before we go, let's do a quick recap of some useful words you heard in today's conversation. These are words beginners really need, and you can use them every day.
Yes, nothing complicated. Just simple, helpful English. We used the phrase nice to meet you. That's what you say when you meet someone for the first time.
We also used peaceful. That means calm, quiet, not noisy.
Another important word is usually. Usually means most of the time. Not always, but often.
And we said step by step. That means little by little, no rush.
These are very common words. You don't need to memorize them. Just listen, and you'll start to recognize them.
Yes, learning English is about listening again and again, not about being perfect.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's part of learning. Thank you for spending this time with us. We really appreciate it. We'll be back soon with another simple conversation to help you practice English naturally. See
See
you
you
in
in
the
the
next
next
episode.
episode.